In this video we will be visiting Halki, like the locals do. It's easy to buy the ticket from Kolona port, which is besides Sea Gate from Old Town. The ticket costs 21 euros per one trip, so it's 42 total. And let's go see Halki. Now we are in Halki. The boat is leaving. Hopefully it will come back. As you see, the view in here is amazing. The houses in here look like in Halki Island, but it's a little bit smaller than Halki. The colors of these houses are just amazing. We are going to explore the island because it's 9 a.m. at the moment, and the ship comes back 6:30 p.m. so we have time to explore. Now we decided to take a taxi and go to the farthest point of the island, which is Monastery. And there is one taxi on the island, so we hopefully see it soon and we can hop on. Now we arrived to the monastery of St. John, and it was a 20-minute ride, 8 kilometers with taxi, and the taxi cost 50 euros to get here. So now we are at the monastery, and our taxi driver drove away and said that he will be back, maybe. So we are in the middle of nowhere. It's about 8 kilometers back to the port. I didn't get the best views here, but I hope to see them when we walk back, and hopefully the taxi driver will come. It was a very scary smile that he did when he said that he will be back, maybe. We are here with bunch of sheep. No, not them. These ones. Luckily we didn't pay to our taxi driver, so he has to come back if he wants the money. So it's a positive news. are back from the mountains, had a nice cold beer because it's so hot today, and now we are trying to take the water taxi to the beach. The water taxi costs 20 euros for 3 people. We pay 5 extra because we didn't want to go in the morning, because the ship comes back 4 p.m. So at the moment it's about 2 p.m. So we are there for about 2 hours, and we're going to Kanya beach. Hopefully the guy will come back and we can go to the beach.
Live here winter time, no Rhodes. My son fisherman. He stay to Rhodes, fish. He round to small villa, 1 kilo, 2 kilo.
Yeah, sell the fish.
Yes, because here no people, winter no all.
Put your money on the backseat. Don't give a about paparazzi, baby. You know they always trying to get me. $1 million looking icy. I can make it rain on you. I can make your dreams come true. But let me get this straight. Don't ever need no man to tell me what to do.
We safely arrived to the Kanya beach. We will be picked up 4:30 p.m. hopefully. It's a small beach. But the water in here is crystal clear.
Put your money on the backseat. Don't give a about paparazzi, baby.
I have a confession to make. Since I came to Rhodes, I haven't been swimming. So let's change that, because these crystal clear waters, you just can't ignore it. It's not a sandy beach, but that's okay. If you come to Halki, then you should really visit Kanya beach with this taxi. It's 5 euros per person, and the people are really nice here. It was a